The making of a powerful steel hunting knife, crafted from a strong alloy by the skilled hands of a master craftsman, where even without advanced machinery, durable and formidable blades are forged using the simplest tools and equipment. All of these blades and metal files, made from some of the most durable industrial alloys, are combined together to create a knife blade that is exceptionally hard and strong. Joining metals together without melting them is known as solid-state welding, also referred to as forge welding. In this process, the metals are heated to a temperature close to their melting point, then repeatedly struck with heavy blows to carefully fuse the two layers together. This procedure must be repeated several times. To ensure the metals bond more effectively and do not separate, they are first lightly welded together, then cut apart again into smaller sections so they can be fused more easily in the next stages. Here we come to the definition of an alloy, a mixture of two or more metals. In this case, several metals, after multiple cycles of cutting, heating, and hammering on top of each other, are combined to form a new, unified alloy. The heated metal, after hammering and pressing under this machine at high speed, is shaped, bringing it close to its final form. However, this is not the end of the process, and this stage must be repeated multiple times. The material obtained from this process, after a light sanding to remove surface impurities, is cut into smaller pieces again so that the previous process can be repeated, ensuring the metals are thoroughly combined. A handle is welded onto the piece to make it easier to hold, and then the main work begins. The metal is heated close to its melting point. This machine is a type of hydraulic press that shapes our workpiece slowly but with great force. However, due to the high speed of the video, you see this process happening much faster. Typically, industrial tools, especially blades and forging files, are extremely hard and durable, which means that anything made from these materials becomes very strong and resilient. Knives intended for rugged conditions, hunting, and outdoor use must be simple and durable, with an integrated blade and handle, an essential principle that this masterpiece also follows. Using a marker and a grinding wheel, a tool with a spinning abrasive disc mounted on a handle, the knife is shaped into its final form, where the craftsman's skill plays a crucial role. After some grinding and shaping of the knife, our workpiece comes closer to its final form. All stages are carried out freehand, without templates or guides, relying entirely on improvisation. There are many methods to make this type of product more easily, using machines in mass production by various companies and brands. However, this product is entirely handcrafted, and the fully manual, artistic process greatly enhances its value. Products crafted by hand and the skill of a master craftsman, without the involvement of machines, are said, in our culture, to possess a soul, and such items hold greater value compared to mass-produced company products. The process in which heated metal is suddenly immersed in a cooling liquid, such as water, is called quenching. This is used to increase the strength of the product and, in a way, hardens the material's internal structure. As we approach the final stage of finishing, the abrasives used in this process become softer, allowing the surface of the workpiece to achieve its highest level of smoothness. The polished and sharpened blade is immersed in a hydrographic liquid to apply a decorative pattern, which transfers directly onto the knife. The blade is now nearly complete, and we move on to the next stage, crafting the handle. A piece of aluminum and wood is used to construct the handle, as it provides both good strength and balanced weight. A ring is placed near the blade, positioned between the blade and the handle, preventing the handle from loosening toward the blade and allowing the knife to sit more securely and comfortably in the hand. All stages are carried out without any templates or guides. The wooden handle is bonded using a strong industrial adhesive, commonly known as metal glue. Without the use of rivets or drilling, and after remaining under significant physical pressure for a period of time, the adhesive cures, firmly securing the wooden handle to the steel blade. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, someone who spends time beyond the comfort of urban environments in the mountains, forests, or deserts, you undoubtedly need something like this that you can truly rely on. In the final stage, a soft abrasive is used to further smooth the wooden handle, and finally, a natural oil, vegetable, animal, or a specialized wood oil, is applied to polish and provide additional protection. If you enjoy this type of content, our channel produces videos tailored to your interests. We would be delighted if you could leave at least one comment in support, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you, and may you be safe and protected.